Hello everybody, Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware here in the CyberPowerPC suite with Jeremy. He is going to show off some of the very cool custom PCs that the company is working on here at CES. Jeremy, why don't you show off some of this cool hardware, man?
Alright, so right here we got the CyberPowerPC Ragnarok. It's one of our workstation-esque type of builds. It features a dual chamber power supply, so they also have individual power buttons for each chamber. You can fit, a dual system in here for streaming or even content creation, whatever you are decided to do. Inside we do have an i9-9980XE, X299 Design Air Gigabyte motherboard. Of course, we got the open loop liquid cooling. As you can see, all these RGB fans are CyberPowerPC RGB fans. Of course, the dual RTX 2080 Ti's. This build alone is around $7 grand.
Cheap money. Everybody can afford something like that, right?
Definitely.
And what do we have happening a little further down the line here?
Over here, we got our brand new CyberQ. Now, some of you guys may know, Cyber is one of our co-brands, I guess you would say. They manufacture some of our cases and peripherals as well. This is one of the new stars, new gems in the lineup. It's a full ATX motherboard. We got the dual RTX 2080 Ti's inside. We got a Corsair AIO.
Now, a system like this, though, customers can configure with whatever hardware they want,
yes,
correct?
It's completely customizable, as pretty much all of our systems are. But yeah, definitely this is customizable. You can change the graphics card, change the processor, whatever suit your needs.
As long as it fits the case, you guys will put it in there.
Yes, exactly.
All right, great. And we have some more stuff over here on the left as well. I will follow you, Jeremy.
Yep. So this one is the P400 and P350X mashed together, getting the best of both worlds. It's the Fanatec P418. It's going to be one of our new Best Buy builds that we have inside. Right now, inside we have the AMD Ryzen 5 2600 with the AMD RX Radeon 490 or 590. Sorry, all these numbers.
Very cool. And some more desktops over here.
Yeah, these are also going to be some of our e-tail builds. One of going to be taking over maybe some of the Amazon Choice PC builds. But right here is a system that we already have, or the case rather. It's the Luna 471, right? 241. Sorry.
241.
All these numbers.
Got it. And now, is this guy similar, or just white?
This is similar. This is a newer case. This is the second generation one. This is the 242 Luna.
Gotcha.
So you can see all the RGB on the side. Let me move this out of the way. See all the RGB on the side, and it's synced up with all the fans as well. Got a 2070 inside.
And now users can control that RGB or configure it to sort of cycle automatically.
There's actually a button. You're actually able to change it right there. It's all hooked into the case itself.
Very nice. And now we have some interesting mobile stuff on the table to talk about too,
this is
correct?
Something that's probably one of the talks of CES. NVIDIA just announced the 2070s being inside mobile platforms. So we have it inside of our laptops. We have i7 8th gen processor with the 2070, RTX 2070. The screen is a 144Hz 1080p HD display, as well as an RGB mechanical keyboard. The keyboards actually can be configured, changing the lighting to however you like as well. So if you want to put green on the escape key, or it's all customizable.
Very cool. And all Intel platform plus NVIDIA graphics inside?
Yes.
And what size was this particular one?
This one is the Tracer 3 15R, so 15-inch display.
15-inch.
And then over here we have the Tracer 3 Extreme 17R. Same components, but just, of course, the larger size, 17-inch.
And all same features, mechanical keyboard.
144Hz display, 1080p, just the 17-inch size.
Now, and these guys aren't coming for a few more weeks, correct?
Not for some time.
Great. Awesome, Jeremy. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.